So there's crazy, and then there's stupid. And then there's what we're gonna do, something that I'm calling crouped. What a classic Magnavox. With knobs! With knobs! Do you remember getting up, right? Because Dad didn't want to go and change the channel? Look at this. It's got a built-in flipper ripper thing to tell you when the Videomatic is on. And then pull on the volume, right? What a classic. We're going to cut it right there with a skill saw. The only precursor to common sense I've made is I did not cut the implosion band on this. That's the only relatively smart thing I've done. This ought to be a hoot.
Nah, not in town.